A common misconception about pouring rights is that it could deteriorate or hurt beverage sales. And actually, from the airports that we've managed to have implemented pouring rights and just from reviewing the data, it's actually not true. So year over year, what we're seeing where pouring rights are implemented, that sales actually increase. And there's a couple of reasons that we feel that that's the case. Probably the primary one is that when a beverage company partners and implements pouring rights, they invest heavily. And so not only does that look great from a financial perspective, but they want a return on their investment. So they make sure that their teams are on the property, they're making sure that the brand sets are right, they're making sure that service is right, and they want to increase sales too. It's a win-win when these pouring rights agreements are forged because beverage sales go up, and it's really exciting to see how the shops to the property to the beverage company all really benefit from these types of arrangements.